we are going to use the following fact. We have the following fact. So this fact tells us logarithm base A of x1 equal logarithm base A of x2, then x1 equal x2. So we can get rid of logarithm if two sides have the same base. Let's think about why is this. The reason is the following. We can suppose this is y. Let's change this into exponential form. If we cover the middle part, okay, let's look at this one. Let's change this into exponential form. So put a base here, then switch the input and output. Similarly, let's look at this part. Let's change this into exponential form. We're going to put a base here, switch these two. And now let's use this fact to solve the equation. Okay, let's try this example together. Suppose we have the following equation. Let's solve this equation together. For this one, we're going to use this fact. We can directly apply the fact. These two have the same base. We can get rid of the logarithm. By the fact, we have the following. Then we can solve this equation. Let's subtract 2x on both sides. Now 2x minus 2x cancel. Left hand side equal 2x minus 5. Right hand side is 1. Now let's add 5 on both sides. Now let's simplify. Minus 5 and 5 cancel. Now, let's divide 2 on both sides. 2 is not equal to 0. We can divide 2 on both sides. Okay, this is our solution. Now, let us check our solution. So, when x equals 3, left-hand side of our equation, I'm going to plug in 3 into the left-hand side. Now let's simplify. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 5 is 7. Agree? Okay, very good. Now similarly, right-hand side equals this. Now let's simplify. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 1 is 7. So they are equal. So this number is a solution. Okay, very good. Now this one we can directly apply this factor. Now there is another type of logarithm equation. Let's try one together. Okay, suppose we have the following equation. Think about how can we how to do this one. Let's think about it. How did we do the first one? So remember, we did the first one by change this form into exponential form. So similarly, we can change this form into exponential form. Let's do that. We're going to put the base here, then switch the input and output. Now 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Now let's subtract 5 on both sides. Okay, we solve this one. Now let us check this solution. So 1x equal 59. Let's plug in left hand side equal this. Now 5 plus 59 is 64, okay? Now let's recall, logarithm base 4 of 64 are exponent that we need to raise the base 4 to get 64. So 4 to which power is 64? 4 to the third power is 64. So this exponent is 3. Right hand side of the equation is 3. So this is the correct solution. Okay, now I'm going to have you guys work on the worksheet. Okay, now you guys are going to do this one. Okay, everybody get a copy?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to have you guys work on it for a while. Okay, please do try it. Let's see. Yes, this one is, remember, negative exponent, put in the denominator. Please do try it on your own. Okay, very good. So now we would like to ask for some volunteer to put this one on the board. Do we have any volunteer? Praveen Kumar, do you mind to put this one on the board?
Sure.
Okay, thank you. Okay, very good. Do you mind to tell our class how did you got this one?
Okay, log 100 base 10 equals to y. So switch the bases, 10 to the exponent form, so 10 raised to y would be 100. So 100 would be written as 10 squared. So you have like y equals to 2. Okay, very good. Do you mind also put the next one, logarithm base 2? It is on the board. Do you mind also, you can just erase that part. Okay, very good. So this one we can write it as equals to y. So 2 raised to y equals to 1 over 32. So we need to change 32 to some power of 2. So that's going to be 2 raised to 5. So if we take the reciprocal, it's going to be 2 raised to minus 5. So y equals to minus 5. Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, very good. Everybody got this one? Any questions? We all got this one? Okay, so the idea is we can change into exponential form. We get this logarithm or exponents. Okay. Now let's just go over the last one together. Before we finish, let's go over the last one together. We can compare. Okay, let's solve this equation together. So the idea is we're going to change this into the exponential form. Put the base here, switch input and output. Put the base here, switch these two. Okay, I see most of you guys got this step. Okay, then we can solve this equation. So first, left hand side, 3 squared is 3 times 3, which is 9. To solve this equation, let us add 4 on both sides. Left hand side plus 4, right hand side plus 4. Okay, now let us check our solution. For x equals 13, left hand side. Now 13 minus 4 is 9. Okay, now let's see. Logarithm base 3 of 9 is the exponent that we need to raise the base 3 to get 9. So 3 to which exponent is 9? 3 squared is 9. So this is 2. Right hand side is 2. We got the solution is x equals 13. Okay, very good. So now please remember to work on your assignments. Okay, that is all for today.